So we are at Belly's Bar and Grill. Besides, Billy's Sport Bar and Grill, right?
Billy's, yeah, Billy's.
So we just had our snacks actually. Just finished our snack. So just chilling here also. Welcome to the live. Live, this is live.
Live, yeah.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
So I cannot put my live here, you know.
You cannot put your live? What is it?
This moto is ano.
Oh, yeah. You have to be on the side then. Come over here. Or, no, they don't have the corner.
So some incident happened guys. Now 3 days ago. Ano, it's not 3 days. It happened March 3.
March 3?
Yeah, it happened March
About
3.
a week ago, 6 days ago.
Yeah, and the guy just died yesterday. So this is what happened. So the guy got stabbed.
That's why this guy yesterday I was talking to, that's what he was telling me. If there was this incident over here, they stab each other, there's this and then I said, really? So I thought he was a foreigner involved. Like somebody
Yeah.
maybe robbing, they said no. He was two local boys, Filipinos, yes, local boys.
So the original, the one who stabbed the new boyfriend.
No, who stabbed? The new boyfriend stabbed? Or he got stabbed?
He got stabbed, the new
Yeah.
boyfriend. The new boyfriend, the one who
Yeah, it involves women as usual. Yeah, so this one woman with her new boyfriend, and the other ex comes around and he gets upset, so he pulls out a knife. I guess he was prepared. He pulls out a knife and he keeps stabbing the other guy, not one time, a couple of times because he slashed his stomach, his intestines fell out, slashed his neck,
yeah.
arm, they passed away.
The police came, but then instead of bringing him to the hospital, they are investigating first. So eventually he died. When this statistic came out, that's really, I don't know if you're really gonna survive in that case. So yeah, so we are just chilling here. You should also do at least like this. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Welcome everyone to my live. Enjoy watching, guys. He's the one I saw yesterday. Remember, oh, I know this guy. The one who passing by. Yeah.
It's all real.
Before when we were walking yesterday, we were walking. I said, oh, I know this guy. Remember I told you?
I see you, yeah. Hey, I'm meeting you. Mr. Komodo.
Thank you for the thumbs up. Welcome everyone to my live. Enjoy watching, guys.
The walking street is sitting and walking.
Thank you for the thumbs up. Welcome everyone. Welcome to my live. Enjoy watching. Maybe I need to forward there. Need to be translated.
Might as well sit over there.
Nakaharang kasi. Ayos ng pag-ano ko eh. Heka.